How do you play this game? Oh yeah, I know. You go here, do the task, and die. Miss Purple over here. Purple, leave me alone. I'm running away. Please. Okay, what? Sauce and Purple. Yes, sauce and Purple. Definitely sauce and Purple. The lights are back on. Thank God. No, I just stole sauce on Purple. I just stole sauce on Purple.
A few inches later.
Knew it. I knew it.
I knew you were lying.
Shit, man. When was the last time I became an imposter? Yeah, I'm gonna get killed first. I'm telling you. You know why I get killed first? Because if I live, gone. The imposter is dead. Because I'm good at finding imposters, and I can't do a card scan. In one, I'm safe here. I'm safe here. I'm not trusting anybody, bro. I'm not on. No, no, stop! I'm done. I'm done. Please stop killing me. Please. No. Oh man, there's no, breathing space over here. I died the first all the rounds.
Body
See,
in
what
front of you and you didn't
Yeah.
report it. There was a body in
Wait,
front
guys-
of you and you didn't report it.
Who?
There was
Okay,
a body
Irene
in
is
front of
not.
Karthik and he didn't report it.
What?
Okay, cool, Karthik.
Dude,
I was
Karthik,
in
you were
O2.
in O2. You were doing whatever.
Yeah.
There was a body
Yeah,
right
vote
there
Karthik
in
out.
O2.
Vote
In
Karthik
O2.
out.
I
Vote
reported the
Karthik
body in O2 and you didn't report that body.
Hey,
What's
man.
Karthik's name? What's Karthik's name? Like that, right? Yeah,
No, wait,
like that.
which O2? The admin O2 or the O2?
Are O2 only.
Abbe, vote Karthik out. See.
Okay,
Meg
by the way,
found
by
the
the way,
body and
by
I'm
the way,
feeling it's not here.
by the way, I'm just gonna tell this, okay? In the first round, I saw Brixie dead. Meg was walking away from it. I was planning to vouch for him
Where?
as he voted me out. Now it's Meg, okay? Just telling.
See,
Yes,
if
it's in the video.
okay, if it's not Karthik, then it's Meg because he's the guy who pointed him out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew it.
Yeah, make me the crewmate, man. I'm the crewmate. Why? You don't say. Okay, I'm gonna. Yeah, what? See. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Sim. It's Dash. It's Dash, dude. My. It's Dash, dude. No, it's Glizzy. It's not Dash, dude. Why did Dash do it? It's Glizzy. Oh my god. You know what? Okay. Is there any task over here? Reactor unlock manifolds. I think it's not Dash, dude.
NANI?!
Oh no, it's crazy.
Okay, at least Irene didn't die first. So.
Okay, again,
Yeah.
Irene. Okay. Let's just think this logically. Who would do this? It's not Mr. Brexy. He's not mad to do that attempt again. For some
I
reason,
think it's.
I feel.
See,
For some reason, I feel it's Irene,
I think
Aryan.
Yeah, some is.
No,
I'm in
I
my bay.
think-
I'm in my bay.
Even I saw Aryan at
think it
Medbay.
is-
Where
I
did you
think it
find
is
the body?
Aryaman.
Shane?
Listen. I
Tell.
think it's Aryaman. Because he wouldn't do this.
Yeah. No tension.
Wait,
Vote
wait,
me out,
wait,
man.
wait,
I'll give you
wait.
chocolate.
Where was the body?
No
Shane.
tension.
Who's the body?
I want
Shane, electrical. I saw Dash
Did anyone
in.
go electric?
I saw Dash in reactor. That's the last time I saw. That's it. I don't know. It's
I
fine.
was
It's
in
fine.
reactor. I failed the Simon says like twice.
No tension, man. You vote me out, man. No tension. I have a feeling
No,
it's
don't.
Meg because I saw him roaming around,
Yeah.
not
Brexy,
doing
it's
anything.
me. Brexy, it's me. Okay.
But don't vote him
skip,
out right
skip.
now. Vote him out next, like if someone else dies.
Okay. By the way, Glizzy saw me entering Medbay. He didn't.
Glizzy is. I'm sorry.
It's Glizzy, confirm. He killed
It's Glizzy.
electric. It's Glizzy. Next round, we're calling an emergency meeting. It's Glizzy.
He vented.
He went from electrical to med bay. It's Glizzy. Oh my god, Brexy, you have 200 IQ. Brexy has 200 IQ.
Okay.
Vote Glizzy out. Vote Glizzy out. Confirm. Vote Glizzy out.
if okay, just in case if it's not.
If it's not, Glizzy, I'll delete
It's
my
not
YouTube
me.
channel.
How is it
I
me?
delete my YouTube channel.
Let's vote Glizzy out. Vote him.
Shane,
Make
your
us know
vote. Shane,
what-
your vote.
Make us no words to say.
You know, I'm just
Imagine-
you know, in second case.
Imagine, guys, imagine it's Aryan.
No, it's not me. It's not me. It's not me.
I got it.
I don't know. I was.
Okay, please.
voted.
He voted for himself. Yes. Have I done 200 IQ?
Yeah.
I just did 200 IQ. I 200 IQ everything. I 200 IQ everything. Done. Dunzo. Subscribe to Rocket, guys. Subscribe to Rocket. Dunzo.
Obviously.
Why is it with Brexy out of everybody? He's literally like the worst imposter. Oh,
Body was in navigation.
Navigation.
Okay. It's not Meg. I can vouch for it.
I can vouch for Irene and Dhruv and what's the other guy? Vic Star 1 to 3.
I can
Next time
vouch
into
for
three.
Sham also.
Since
Yeah,
I-
vote me. No tension. Vote me, man. I reviewed
No,
in
I
front of
s-
Irene.
Can even go in the right side of the map, like near navigation or weapons or something.
I reckon
didn't do that.
Irene and JS.
No, I'm thinking it's JS and wait,
Irene.
Sham, where were you? Sham,
Wait,
where were
wait,
you?
wait.
Sham,
I
where were
was
you? Sham,
an
where were you? Sham, where were you?
Admin.
And who else?
I can watch for Sham. He did the task. He did the fixing lights with me.
So
Yeah,
anyone can fix lights, but imposters can fix lights.
Dude, anyone can fix the lights.
Okay,
but I was with-
Aryan and Sham very sus. They literally said, I can vouch for you because you did lights.
Brexy also.
You told you vouched
I
for
know,
some
but
guy,
Brexy
right?
told
I said I was
No,
for
I was
Irene and
with-
Dhruv
I was
because
with
them.
But he
See,
didn't.
I was with
I was with
Irene.
Meg like 3 tasks in a row.
Okay, so I'm just saying it can be Irene.
I'm vouching for Irene also. I'm vouching for Irene also because she did the task with me, the refueling one.
Abbe, that. How do you know she did the task?
Hey, did you see the taskbar go up?
No,
I guess, yes.
Hey, make, listen. See, I can vouch for Dhruv and Irene that they did not do the first kill. Because I'm pretty sure the person with the first kill is not one of them. They can be the second imposter. I don't know. They're two imposters.
No, JS is the only guy who hasn't been in anyone's.
You know what? I feel
Like
JS is the first imposter.
Yeah. I'm a voter.
In electrical.
Yeah, I'm voting JS. He can be the first imposter.
Quite risky. I mean, maybe you should. What if he's not the
We are
imposter?
watching for everybody else. Who's the other person left? It's a self-report.
Wait,
It's not
wait,
JS, it's a self-report.
Is it?
It's self-report.
Is
it's
it
not
on?
JS.
No. It's not Meg. I can vouch for him. For
Okay,
sure.
okay. Let's go. Good. Rexy, I want you to do something properly. Rexy, please. Rexy, please. Rexy. Get some kills, Rexy, please. So scared. Oh my god, the light cameras were off.
Guys, let's just see this thing.
Where was it?
I'm pretty sure
I
JS
have
was
a
one of the.
feeling.
No.
I have a.
Okay,
JS was my brother. He was my brother. I have no idea he was my brother.
Then that's fine.
It's a cool job.
I'm pretty sure JS was the imposter because
Wait a second,
only
wait a
one
second.
kill happened. Only one
Wait a
kill
second.
happened this round. Only one kill happened.
Wait a second. Karthik died the very first.
Uh-huh.
Jace got kicked out even though he was not the imposter.
How do you know
Vote
he's
for
not the imposter?
Aryan because I'm gonna suicide.
How, wait.
Because
How is he not? What do you mean? How is he not the
He's the
imposter?
imposter.
Hey, even
It's
I'm
my
sussing
brother.
you now, Aryan.
Why?
Aryan! It's Aryan!
It's Aryan. It's Aryan. I'm voting Aryan. I'm voting Aryan.
Oh, fine.
Aryan.
I
You
wanna
didn't
say
see Sham
I'm
and
standing
Aryan
next
also.
round.
It can be
I'm
both
standing
of
next round. I'm standing next round.
I'm scamming Aryan, even I'm scanning.
Okay, I'm standing next round. You wanna see me scan? Come on.
Okay. I have one last
Me and
task
Aryan
left,
are
and then
not
I'll
the
be in
imposters.
Oh,
camp.
yeah.
Then.
Fine, skip. I'm scanning next round. You guys will prove
Even
yourself
I'm
wrong.
scanning.
Okay.
Because I'm pretty sure GS just was one of the
Okay.
imposters.
I mean, Aryaman can be one imposter, but he didn't kill me when I was with him. I was
So?
with him.
Trisha,
all the-
Exactly,
you are
I
also
was
very
with this
sus
all
dude
the
right
time.
New!
I told you it's Aryan! I told you
You
it's
guys
Aryan! Why did
You
you
guys
do
were
it?
too late.
You guys
were
are
too
such
late.
goofies.
Too late.
You guys
Dude,
know I'd follow
man.
Aryan. You guys
I
know
knew
I'd
it.
follow Aryan.
Dude, I don't. Karthik died the first. That's why it's
Oh
Aryan.
my
You guys,
God.
this Meg. This
guys-
Meg killed it. This ruined me, man. I scanned. He died.